everyone, this is Mackenzie from SoundTraxx, and we've got something special going on this September. Our SoundTraxx hats are on sale, and I want to show you just how easy it is to use a coupon code to get yours for free on our website. First off, head over to SoundTraxx.com and find the hat you'd like. In this example, the coupon code only applies to our hats, but we run different promotions all year long, and the process to using your coupon code will be the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the hat that the coupon code applies to my cart at SoundTraxx.com. So this is our hat. I'll go ahead and add that to our cart. I'm also going to add a decoder to my cart because to get your hat for free, you've got to spend $150 at SoundTraxx.com. So I'm going to go ahead and add a decoder to the cart and proceed to the checkout. Once you get to the checkout, you can sign in and continue as a returning customer, or you can continue as a guest. On the right, you can see your order summary with your products. It gives you a subtotal. Once you add your shipping information, you'll get to select your shipping methods and the tax for your area. If you click right here on coupon or gift certificate, this is where you can type in your coupon code. So I'm going to type in hats 0925 and hit apply to receive the discount. And you can see that it takes the price of the hat off, so you get your hat for free. And then you can go ahead and fill out all your shipping information. It's always a good idea to put in your phone number in case we have a problem with your order. We can call you and get it cleared up and your order sent out right away. And go ahead and select your shipping fee. And then you can type in your payment information and your order will be placed. And everything stays up to date on the right side of your screen, so you can see what's in your cart, your discounts, your taxes, your shipping, and everything. And that's how you use a coupon code at SoundTraxx.com. Now don't miss out, this special hat deal is only good while supplies last, so grab your limited edition SoundTraxx hat today. Use coupon code HATS0925 to get your hat for free with a purchase of $150 or more at SoundTraxx.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.